Hi there, I'm Aidan Kramer, the co-founder and CEO of AIApply, and I'm going to show you how to make the most of your premium account. But most importantly, I'm going to show you auto-apply. So when you get to this page, it won't look like this initially. You'll need to complete this form, which will allow us to input all the relevant information to the job that you're trying to apply to. It's very important that you complete this accurately. You can say when you were able to start, the salary that you're looking to consider. Although it's very difficult for us to directly match salary requests with the jobs we're applying to because not all employers add that, we will state that in application forms, the salary you're looking for, and we'll try and find the seniority level that makes sense based on the salary band. You can set the location. You can have fully remote roles or in-person hybrid in a specific location, and you can add multiple here. Upload the resume that you want to be sent along with your application. Upload a profile picture. I know this is annoying, but some applications require it, and additional information. Now, this is all very important to get correct. This is where you can validate the experience section and your education. So it's all quite self-explanatory. And when you've completed the form, you'll have this option here. How should we apply to jobs for you? So we can auto-apply, and that means the system will automatically submit applications as soon as it finds them, or you can review the applications before it applies. If you click review, the AI agent will find relevant jobs. You can then look at them, and then with one click you can approve or reject them. And if you click approve, it will submit the application on your behalf. And if you reject, then it will keep finding more applications for you or more relevant job matches for you. And then this is what your dashboard will look like. So I've clicked or I've selected to approve reject. So here are the job posting that it's found. I can take a look at the listing and I can approve that. And then we'll see it change to approve, and it will automatically start submitting that application. In order to submit applications on your behalf, we have to create a mailbox for you, which is here. And this is where you'll be able to track replies to the applications that you go out. So you can check in here, and if you have interview requests, they'll come in here as well. We will try and CC you on anything that is positive, interviews, offers, etc. But it's definitely worth checking in on your auto-apply inbox at all times. If you've selected for kind of approve reject, you can change that settings by going to update criteria to get it to start running automatically on your behalf. And that is auto apply. I'll give you a quick rundown of the other tools as well. So we had a quick look at the resume builder, and this is where your resumes will get saved. You can do a resume scan, and this will tell you how far off your current resume is to the jobs you're applying to. You can keep track of your cover letters here, and when you get to an interview stage, you can practice a mock interview. So you can add the job and you can generate a mock interview, and then it will give you questions that are expected to be asked, and it will give you the relevant answer, so you can memorize it, or you can practice typing out the answers and it will give you a score based on how good your answer is. So if we just go to the simulation, describe experience with product management, how it rolls or aligns with the role. I'm going to say I'm good at product, which is a bad answer, and it's given me 10% and given me areas to improve. We do have a job board, so this is jobs that we scrape from all over the internet. There's kind of over 1 million jobs that are pulled in here. So if we go Customer Success Manager, we'll find jobs. So this was posted 9 hours ago. We can see the details, and if we click apply, it will show us the link directly on the company's applicant tracking system, where you can apply for it yourselves if you want, and so no bouncing between multiple job boards. We also have a tool called Interview Buddy. Now, once you're ready for an interview, it's nice to have some support. So we built an AI agent that will sit in your browser, and it will be able to listen and transcribe the interview for you, so you can look back and see how, what questions came up and what answers you gave, and it will also be able to prompt you and give you relevant answers in real time. So this is a work in progress, but it's a really helpful tool just to help you feel comfortable during your job interviews. So if you have any questions, you can email me directly or email the provider that will give you access to this account, and we look forward to helping you get hired.